Welcome to Platforms for Video Distribution, a step-by-step guide for crypto brokers. If you're a crypto broker, video marketing isn't just a trend, it's a powerful tool to attract traders, educate your audience, and boost your brand's visibility. But here's the key: choosing the right video distribution platform. Let's walk you through the top channels to ensure your videos get the attention they deserve. First up, YouTube, the king of video content. Why YouTube? It's the largest video sharing platform in the world. It offers SEO perks through Google integration, and it provides tools for monetization and analytics. Here's how to get started. Create your YouTube channel. Add a name, logo, and banner. Upload your video. Include an optimized title, description, and relevant keywords. Don't forget SEO. Use crypto-specific keywords, timestamps, tags, and closed captions. Next, Vimeo. Ideal for professionals seeking high-quality streaming and branding control. Why Vimeo? It supports custom branding, offers strong privacy controls, and delivers top-notch video quality. To distribute, set up your profile with your brand's identity, upload your video, and fine-tune privacy settings. Share via embeds or direct links. Want to reach professional traders and investors? Head to LinkedIn. Upload videos directly to your feed. Use captions with hashtags like #CryptoTrading and #BrokerInsights. And don't forget to post in active LinkedIn groups related to crypto and finance. For short, punchy content, Twitter, now X, is your go-to. Post 30 to 60-second teaser clips, link to your full video. Use hashtags like #CryptoNews and #TradingTips, and engage by retweeting or replying to the community. To connect with a younger, mobile-first audience, think TikTok and Instagram Reels. Create short, dynamic clips with trading insights. Add effects, captions, and trending audio. Use crypto hashtags and collaborate with influencers to expand your reach. To wrap up, a multi-platform strategy ensures maximum visibility, engagement, and trust. Crypto brokers who harness video marketing smartly will see stronger community connections and brand growth. Your next steps? Launch your first video campaign today. Monitor performance metrics and keep optimizing based on audience engagement. Now, go tell your story, one video at a time.